have to be louder?
Stand up. This shit 400 degrees.
Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no stop. You are.
Hey Exclusive Baddies, so today's video I'm going to be doing a little like hanging up a bunch of pictures, and I'm going to do this little stud DIY on the couch, and it's like pretty much just stuff to do in the house. I mean, I just moved and I just want to get, you know, make it more homey, I guess, and add pictures and all that stuff on the wall. So right now I'm about to hang up these two pictures that I picked for this area. I ended up spray painting this gold, because I didn't like how it looked. They did spray paint on like the edges, but supposedly acetone will erase my mistakes. Hopefully, when I can go to the store, I can do that. So let me just hang this up. I already put the nails in. I just gotta like hook it on there. So next, I got this at, where did I get this from? Joann's. It was in my haul from Joann's, so I got everything for like 50 to 90% off. And it comes with these nails. Oh no, Mr. Man.
You're Mr. Man. Why are you not doing that?
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like make a fake little stud border around my couch, and we're gonna use the hammer to do that. So I don't know how much these normally, I forgot. You have to watch that video to know how much these normally cost, but supposedly you can wrap it around. So we're gonna do that now. Start from here. So there's like nails, like holes every like 6th one or something, like the first one and then the 6th one. So I'm gonna do the first hole, and we're just gonna use a hammer to hammer it in again, because that's all we got. This is kind of hard.
Did you try it before you like?
This is kind of
I thought we was talking about the other staples.
Okay, so let me.
Oh, you said it came with that. Oh, okay.
It's a little like kit. It's just kind of difficult. I don't want to my hand. Ooh.
The color. This has to be a color, man.
This is hard. How do I do this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so. video.